Hi people, and welcome to my room tour. I'm gonna do a quick room tour. I'm gonna enter the room. My friend is in there right now and show you everything about it, show you what I like, what I don't like, and we're gonna talk about it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and let's go. So for info, we are at the room 2220 at the Ocean Allure Costa Mujeres. And to enter, you need to use the wristband that they give you when you come to the resort. You scan it right here. It's gonna be green, perfect. Now you can push the door in. So when you get in, now the light is already up, but the first light you're gonna find is to the side right here. And you enter with this closet, basically. Let me open this. In this closet, you'll find here just an extra pillow and some space to hang things if you want to. We're not using it right now, but it can be, if you're the type to use everything in the hotel room, it can be interesting. And you have here 4 drawers and some space for shoes and more clothes down here if you'd like. So that's a pretty nice closet. They have a lot. One advantage about this room is there's a lot of space. Closet space, it's really amazing. Here you have, of course, the classic safe. I don't recommend going to any hotel that does not offer a safe because a housekeeping is going to be coming. And no matter how much you trust the hotel, you should have your precious belongings in a safe always, just to make sure that you don't lose important things like your passport, for instance. And here, there's a fridge, of course. They come in every day to fill it up, or you can ask if you're missing something, they'll come and fill it up too. So you have beers, you have water, of course, and you have some sodas with, I think those are chips. So that's pretty nice too. So yeah, nice little fridge, well stocked. Coffee machine as always, if you want some coffee. I think that's instant coffee though, or that's cream. Yeah, that's cream for coffee. Water bottle, and one feature that I love about this room, and you don't find in many hotels, a steamer. Many hotels still have the unpractical, how do you call it again? Antoine, comment on appelle le fer à repasser en anglais?
A steamer.
Oh, no, a fer à repasser. You know, like the old ones that you...
An iron.
An iron, yes,
something
yes.
Iron.
Yeah, most people... most people still have like the irons, the old things that you use for shirts. They have a steamer, which is amazing. And I prefer, it's much more practical, and that's great. That's one feature that made my decision to come here. And here, once again, more closet space, as I was talking about. So you can use it. Many hangers, as you can see. There are some left because I'd rather keep my things in the suitcase, but you can use that. You have a shoe shine sponge, and usually you will find the steamer right here most of the time. We just put it there to use it, and you have a sewing kit and some more closet space. Look at it, drawers. We're talking here 3 drawers and some space in between for shoes if you want to. So if there's 2 people that come here, like, you can each have your own closet, which is amazing, and you can't find that in many hotels. So that's the first space. That's the first, like, the entrance space. Now you turn. There's a nice little art piece here, very beautiful. The light switch is right here. You enter the now beautiful bathroom. So let's go around. First, you have this bathtub. It's a jetted bathtub, which is really amazing. You have the instructions on the side. I don't think we will be using it, but if you come in as a couple, or if you just want a relaxing bath, it's great. And they even give you, I don't know if you can see it, they give you bubble bath. They give you free bubble bath here, and you can ask for some more downstairs if you need more than that. But that's amazing. So if you're a fan of baths, you're fully equipped for that. And here you have, of course, a double vanity sink. So his and hers, or whoever you're coming with, a bunch of towels downstairs. You can always ask for more and ask for housekeeping. And hair dryer right here, neatly placed, and it has a bag, which is really nice. And here you have all the products that they offer. So vanity kit, a dental kit, you have a shaving kit, and you have a shower cap if you need one. And here you have hand wash and body milk, which is really good, by the way. So if you don't have cream or you don't want to bring your own, you have it right here, which is amazing. You have, of course, 2 glasses and towels, hand towels. if you want to use them for whatever purpose you have. Small mirror here, so if you're coming with a lady, she likes to do her makeup with a small mirror, and it has a light, if I'm not mistaken. I just don't know how to, because it's plugged in and you can see the light here, I just don't know how to activate it. So for that, you can find out downstairs. I just did. It's right here, the switch is right here. You can activate it and use it if you wish. So, hello. So that's good. That's a great feature. I love it. The lights are great. It's a little bit yellow, but I like it that way. It feels more cozy. And downstairs, if you want, you have a scale too, which is good if you want to see how much weight you put on by eating during your vacation. The food will be another subject, but here we're tackling the room. So we're not done. Here you can find a bathroom. We had the lowest tier room and we still were equipped with 2 bathrobes and 2 slippers, which is amazing. Most hotels, if you have the lowest tier room, you will not be getting those amenities. So it's nice that they include them here. So let's enter back here and I'm gonna show you the shower space. So of course you enter this way. You have already 2 main products here. So shower gel, which is really good and it smells really nice. And you have conditioner and shampoo all in one. If I'm conditioning shampoo, so yeah, you have it all in one here if you want to wash your hair in a pinch. If you're a woman, you probably have your own products, but you know, as a man, I find it pretty neat to have that. You know, it's nice and quick and easy. And of course, you have the shower head. You have a normal head here, rainfall, really nice, good water pressure, and you have this one, which is great too for more precision washing. And you have many modes. I don't know if you can read it here, but you have the rain mode, the jet mode, and the third one that is active mode. So you can also play with that. A lot of options, which is really nice. Here you have the shower knob. So this is for the temperature, of course. And this one you push or you pull depending on which shower head you want to use. So great options, great space for showering. My only problem with it is this. When you close it, first it doesn't fully close. It kind of like half closed. It doesn't have a latch. But it's good privacy, you know, nobody can see you. The problem is though, when you shower, if you move quite a bit while showering like me, there's a hole here. So water can get outside, and down here, water can also get outside. So sometimes if you're not careful, you will have a lot of water coming out here. This is for that, this will catch most of the water if you put it fully out, but still, I would love to see like a bit more, to have it a bit more closed than that, to not have to deal with the water outside, but besides that is okay. But so it's a good shower. My only problem is what I just talked about, and also the finishing touches. I don't know if you can see, but down here you can see that it's been freshly constructed, and the finishing touches are not great. But honestly, who cares? You're on vacation. Nobody looks at it that much. I'm just very observant, but it's a nice shower regardless. So I'm gonna get out of here, and we have one last thing to check, and it's the space for how do you call that? How do you call that again? I forgot. Remember, English is my second language, but you have the place where you need to, you know, if you need to do number 1 and number 2, there it is. So the toilet, yeah, that's a toilet. So great toilet, very comfortable. I like the backhand, the way it closes very nicely without much noise. So if you're going at night, that's great. You have 2 options, which I like because it's ecological. You have the small one for just, you know, number 1, let's just say, and the big one if you drop the bigger load, let's just say it like that. Very good, works well. You have a little trash can here, and you have more paper towel than you probably will need, so that's good. And a little art piece, very cute, very nice, and I like the fact that it's in a closed space. So that's very nice. That makes the toilet very usable, even if there's somebody that circulates in here. So you could be showering, you could be doing your number 2, and somebody would be able to circulate if they need to. As you can see on the other side, and it's great. Most bathrooms in hotels don't have that much privacy inside the bathroom itself, which is an amazing feature. So all in all, you see the bathroom is great. I really, really, really like it. I would give it a good 9 out of 10. The only point that would be missing for me is what I talked about. So the fact that the door are not completely closable. and so water gets outside, and the finishing touches that would need a bit more work. But besides that, it's an amazing bathroom and probably one of the best that I've ever had in a hotel. So that's really good. Shout out to Ocean Allure. Talking about the finishing touches, as you can see here, you see, that's what I'm talking about. Those need to be worked on a little bit more to have more of that premium feel. Hi, Antoine. So yes, finishing the room tour now. We're getting into the main space of the room, which is obviously the beds and everything. So here you have a full-length mirror. As a matter of fact, before I forget, I didn't tell you guys, there's a full-length mirror here, another full-length mirror here. So for the ladies, if you want to look at your outfits before going outside, you have plenty of options. They really thought about the ladies here. You have multiple full-length mirror in one room, which is quite amazing. It's pretty rare. Another mirror here. So if you like looking at yourself, you will not be disappointed. So yeah, there is another one right here. So full length if you need to look at the outfit before going outside. A little bit of space here that you can use for anything. Here you see we stocked a few things. And there are the beds, of course. Okay, the beds I've seen online, and it's quite true, they're on the firmer side. So if you like firm beds, like very firm, you're gonna appreciate them. If you want a bed that's more fluffy and soft, sorry, you're gonna be disappointed. To me, they are good beds. They're really nice. We had a night of sleep here yesterday. I slept well. Overall, it was really good. Antoine, did you sleep well?
Very well.
Exactly. So they are good beds, honestly. But if you like very soft bed, it won't be for you. But they are clean. They are well maintained. Housekeeping came today, made them again. So they're really nice. And you have this that you can use to stock things or sit on or whatever you want. I put my suitcase there because I like having access to it. You have two art pieces on top that I find very interesting, very cute. It gives the room more personality. In the front here, you have also the usual light. You know, that's very normal. Most hotels have that. And you also have the phone to call the reception or wherever you need. Here, down here, you have a few options. You use those buttons to control the lights. You can charge a device here, and you can also use it to control the fan that's right on top of here. And I really love this because I'm a guy that loves fans. I like using them, so the fact that they provide it on top is really good. Okay, so there has been a slight issue. I was doing my room tour, and at a certain point I didn't realize, but I paused the recording of the video. So I'm gonna tell you a few things that were supposed to be in here but that weren't, and then I'm gonna go back to the rest of the video for you to see because I filmed after that. So yeah, my friend was basically presenting, I know he's gonna be sad because he's not gonna be heard, but he was basically telling you about the bathrobes that the hotel provided. He was telling me that they change them every day basically because they came today with housekeeping and they provided us new ones. So that's really good. And also he was telling me about the fact that when he came in, they took his charger that was all over the place, and now it's back to charging, so it's not in the state that it was when we came in, but they wrapped it with the little thing here and it was neatly placed. So all that to say, they have great attention to detail when it comes to the room, and they really take care of you. Simply put, they really take care, and they care about like making the room nice and pretty for you. So that's really good. The service is amazing, and we left them a tip, of course. Every morning we leave a tip here, so when housekeeping comes, they can just take it and take care of the room. So that's amazing. And I also was telling you about the balcony. I'm not sure how much you've heard, I'm not sure how much I said, but basically I was saying that the balcony in itself is good. You have the equipment necessary, so you have two chairs, one table, that's great. But we regretted picking this room used for the garden view, which was the cheapest, because the garden is not yet ready. As you can see down there, there are plants. They planted plants. So if you come in like next year, the garden might be more evolved, so then you can pick this room if you want the garden view and the cheaper price. But for right now, we kind of regretted it because as you can see, the view is pretty bad. Also, I was telling you about the fact that you are very close, much closer to your neighbors than you think. So the rooftop, not the rooftop, but the balcony lacks a little bit of privacy. So don't be doing any crazy things on the balcony if you're coming with your partner. I know that a lot of people have a few kinks when it comes to those things. You will be seen. And as you can see, sometimes there are people from the hotel that pass by. So that's an employee. So be careful. There's not a lot of privacy on top of here. So be careful with what you're doing up here. So yeah, overall the balcony is decent, but it's really not the best part of the room. There are better options inside the hotel and better options at other hotel. If you really care about a balcony, make sure to be well informed before making your reservation. And for now, at least for the next year, I'd say don't pick garden view unless your budget is really tight and you don't care about the view on the balcony. Then you can pick it and just not go like us, for instance, and enjoy the rest of the room and enjoy the rest of the hotel. So that was the parts that were missing. Al will let you get back to the end of the video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye. So yeah, I think that does bring us to the end of everything that I had to say about the room. Everything has been said. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. I will try my best to respond to all of you guys. In the meantime, take care of yourself. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for watching. And yeah, please subscribe to the channel, leave a like if this video has been of any value for you. And if you end up booking this hotel, feel free to leave a comment to tell us how you found it. My full review will be online at a later date, so I will go like I did with my first video on this channel, in depth with my experience, and tell you all about what I learned about this resort, so you can make the choice for yourself if you want to come here or not. In the meantime, please be safe and take care of yourself, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.